In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove You May Like search history on TikTok. To date, TikTok still keeps a strong focus on personalized recommendations, which means you may like search suggestions and search history often pop up when you use the app. While TikTok doesn't provide a single button to completely disable recommendations, you can manage and remove both your search history and those You May Like suggestions to keep your experience cleaner and more private. To do this, open your TikTok app and head over to your profile by tapping the bottom right icon. From there, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner, go into Settings and Privacy, and select Activity Center. Inside, you'll find Search History, where you can either clear individual searches or remove all at once. This instantly wipes the saved history that influences your recommendations. For the You May Like suggestions that show up when searching, you can disable the feature entirely, but clearing search history regularly minimizes what TikTok bases those suggestions on. Another tip is to long press on any search suggestion and select Not Interested or Hide, which helps the algorithm adjust. If you're very privacy conscious, you can also toggle off personalized ads under the ads settings in the privacy section, which slightly reduces how TikTok tailors recommendations. Pro tip: for the best results, clear your cache as well. Go back to settings and privacy, then scroll down to free up space and clear the cache. Doing this not only removes leftover data that may influence your search suggestions but also improves app performance. If you prefer not to have TikTok track your activity too closely, consider using TikTok in a browser with incognito mode or create a secondary account for casual browsing. That way, your main account stays clean and unaffected by random searches you don't want showing up again. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.